अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो लाइफ सीक्रेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन दबाइए लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए।
I welcome you all to this video where I gonna discuss about Gharbade shopping platform which lies under the tag of expect more and pay less. The Gharbade Shopping has also launched its new site named as gharbadeshopping.in, and yeah, to make you all aware of that site, to make you all aware of its features use, this video has been created. Gharbade Shopping deals with the online best deals and offers and brings you all such deals from which you can save your best, because Gharbade Shopping always believe that savings is nothing but another way of earning. The more you save, the more you earn. So always it brings the best deals, genuine deals in front of all its member. So as you can see that the Gharbade Shopping website, which is www.gharbadeshopping.in, which you can browse in the Google Chrome. So let's start about its use. Let me take you towards the journey of Gharbade Shopping. Just go to the Google Chrome, type gharbadeshopping.in. You can see that Gharbade Shopping best selling deals online. This is the interface homepage of the Gharbade Shopping. You can find many tabs there. This is generally a website cum blog. This is the feature. Let me go through towards the features and tabs of the platform. This is the unique features. What differentiates Gharbade Shopping platform from other platforms? This is some of the testimonials which we got from our regular members. So I thank all of them. This is our community tab where anyone who wish to join our platform can join by various groups: the Facebook page, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Already 500 members are a part of this platform. This is a feedback form which you all can give after you experience this website, about the blog, about the deals, so that we can improve to our best. This is the mission of the Gharbade platform. You can browse through it, you can read about the platform, the founder of the same. This is a network we have, the affiliation and the sub affiliation we have, the Gharbade shopping platform has. And yeah, here also from this tab you can go directly to join community. Next is the gallery tab, where all the posts will be showcased in front of all the members. Unlike in all other categories, category-wise posts are been posted. Here, all the posts are visible in front of the members at one place itself. So you can see the logo and all the sharing link. These are the various categories of blogs we have. For example, Deals Engine. Here we're gonna see the post, the mobiles, accessories, and all such. You need to visit on it. So variety of categories where all variety of blogs, deals, offers will be posted. In more tab you can see various other options, coupons, updates, and motto, and various others. Just go to the blog, whatever blog you can see, just click on it. You can see the description of it, title, all the images, who has published, the time it is published on, order the offer, the link from which you can buy. It is all also has the sharing option. Directly you can copy the link and share. If you like the deal, you can directly go back to top, or if you want to go to home, directly from this button you can go back directly to home. So there are many features which has been embedded in this small website cum blog. And then you could also connect with me, and you could also connect with me on all these platforms. Connect with me by messaging me, updating with the email. And yeah, this was the website. Now let's come to the mobile version, mobile friendly website. Let's go to gharbadeshopping.in. The same you can see in mobile tab. Just go there. There is the interface loading with the beautiful icon of gharbadeshopping.in. So yeah, this is the website and the mobile as it looks. the sharing options, logo, tabs, and so here you can connect with me. Then there are various categories. In the home tab, just press that 3-line icon. You can see various categories, various tabs here. Directly go to each one of the tab by pressing that menu icon. So here you can see these unique features of the Ghar Baithe shopping platform, and we are always on our words. We always post the best deals, genuine offers, pocket friendly, which can actually save your money. And there are let's take me to the other tabs, the testimonials tabs, feedbacks, and all from our regular members of the platform. This is our community. Anyone can join this community just by clicking on the link, clicking on its name or icon. Feedback form, always whatever experience you had, whatever improvement we should make, with your name, with what all offers you need from us, what is your preference, all you can mention in the feedback form. This is the mission tab, as you can see. That's the gallery tab of the mobile website, mobile friendly website. Also, you can see if there are any problems you're facing by operating a website, you can always mention in the feedback form. We will take our best step to overcome such problems. So various categories of post you can go through specific. If you want any specific deals, I will always keep you updated regarding what all the deals are in the group or in the community we have in the WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook. So needn't worry, you will always be updated whatever deals and offers are being posted regularly in the groups. So these are the various tabs and features. As you can see, there is also below the quick action bar. You can share any post via these links, these apps, platforms, social media, and also update your friends and relatives. So guys, if you are liking this, if you haven't joined the community yet, just go through the website once, have a look at it, and if you prefer to join, if you find something new and unique concept, just join these communities so that you can be updated with all the latest deals and best selling offers always. Thank you for watching the video. Also share with your friends and relatives by inviting them through this link so that you can take best advantage of this platform by saving tons of money just by sitting at home. Thank you everyone.